The only panels that we used, I don't know what the hell it was, some sort of tape, carpet tape maybe on, which I thought were gonna be the strongest, are the only ones that failed. So now I gotta use a heat gun, very lightly, and heat those up just a little bit, get that off of there, and then we'll get back at it. I hate double-sided tape. I can't even believe this shit's sticking. All right, the peel of the old tape is done. Now this time, got some help. Nick! I got a tape peeler today.
I'm here.
You're my tape peeler.
Be there, be squared.
All right, we ran into a plug issue here. So I put some double-sided tape on the face cover, stuck it over there, and there's the hole we need to cut out. Simple fix. Well, I gotta cut this. All right, so I'm gonna draw on this with a Sharpie, and then cut this out with a razor blade. Like that. Now, these aren't the easiest things to cut out, especially with it being this close to the edge. So hopefully I don't ruin the panel. Probably be better to do this on a workbench. It's cold as shit outside. All right, now let's see if this actually worked. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. That lines up like a glove. All right, we're making a little, calling a little audible here. So I don't feel like fucking cutting two panels to go around this fire extinguisher, and just kind of wing the design a little bit. Probably should have planned on that thing to begin with, but you know, shit happens. Wait, yeah. Had to call a little audible at the end to avoid that fire alarm, but I think it turned out pretty awesome. Hey. All right, we finished up this wall for the most part. I think it turned out pretty great. Loving it. We're gonna cut some small pieces to go around the door here and down the side. We're gonna wrap it over here under this wall a little bit, just randomly. And then we gotta go do that wall, which you'll just have to check in and on the podcast for.